Hey there! If you're wanting to move photos from the Files app to the Photos app on your iPhone, you are in the right place. This process is super simple and will help you keep your images organized and easily accessible. Let's dive into it. Open the Files app. First, locate and open the Files app on your iPhone. Navigate to the folder with the photos. Next, browse through your folders to find the photos you want to move. Select the photos. You can select multiple photos by tapping each one individually. Move photos to the Photos app. Now, after selecting the photos, tap the share icon, which looks like a square with an arrow pointing up at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down and tap Save Image. This action will save the selected photos directly into your Photos app. Check your Photos app. Finally, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Your photos should now be available in the Recents album. By following these steps, you can easily transfer your photos from the Files app to the Photos app on your iPhone. If this guide was helpful for you, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Happy photo organizing!